This is Joanne. I wanted to show you the Jasmimic wall necklace organizer holder that I've gotten. I got the gold, but you can also get black or white. This displays my necklaces beautifully. It's actually made of metal and it's so easy to hang because it has self-adhesive backing, and it can hang also thick necklaces and not just the thin ones that I have here. It hangs on wood, metal, tile, marble. You can put it on glass. You can put it on plastic surfaces. The item comes two in a package. So I have the two here, and they're about 10.5 inches long, 2 inches high, but it's the perfect wall mount organizer for my necklaces. Not only could you use this for jewelry, but you could also use this for keys or a towel rack. This has been the perfect purchase. I love the style. I love the elegance. I love how it hangs my necklaces and my little jewelry nook. I think it would be a good